Hi, thanks for clicking that button. I'm glad you did because you're going to be excited about what you're going to find. I know how it feels to go and try many programs that don't work. And the thing is, a lot of them do work. It's just that there's missing elements that we don't have, or they don't walk us by the hand, hold our hand and get us through the steps that are difficult to us. If we're new, or there's steps that we don't clearly understand, how do we get around that learning curve? We become discouraged and think that somebody scammed us out of our money, and then we move on. It's just a ridiculous cycle. Now, I never feel bad for any money that I spend for education, because I'm still learning. If anything, I learn what not to do. But go forward. I'm just letting you know that this is something that's going to really excite you. It excited me. And it walks, the video walks you through the steps, and it explains what you're missing in your step. All it is missing elements and new tactics, because things change online. You want to learn how to build your internet business with the current information, with the most current information and process that's going to work for you. And if you can clone it off of what somebody else did already, why not? Okay? Click the link below, and I hope you enjoy what you see.